What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Today, I'm going to ask a favor from you all. You see, as part of my new position with BC Group, I'm going to be examining CMMS systems that you guys currently are using and how you use them. Do you guys currently use any sort of automation? And I want this to be kind of like a project where you guys tell me what I need to do to make this work best for all of you. I have a survey that I'm going to have a link down below. Go ahead and click on that survey, and if you guys can please take this and help me figure out what CMMS system you guys are using. And you can see we also have, are you currently integrated, and how important is integration to your facility? Some facilities, it might not be that important. You know, some facilities are pretty small. However, maybe if you examine the benefits of it, maybe you could utilize a little bit more of your free time to do something else. Because that's what automation gets you, is more free time. Down here, we talk about data collection, and then I'm asking for you guys' input. Like, what kind of features would you like in your BC Group products? And we're going to try and implement them. So whatever it is that you guys think that you'd like to use, let us know. Or if there's a new type of test equipment that you'd like us to have, maybe we already do have it. Who knows? Go ahead and type it in, and I will get back with you guys and see what we can do for you. And down here at the very bottom, I really want to gauge the overall atmosphere. So please tell me an honest opinion of your experiences with BC Group. And then if it's unsatisfactory, or if it is satisfactory, if you can let us know what they're really doing well or what they're not doing well. And then I added another question in here. Are you aware that BC Group currently does depot and on-site calibrations? Because I can't tell you how many times I've been to various hospitals, and when I go in, I see stuff that's not calibrated. It's because nobody knows where to send them. So we do it. And you know, I can also leave a link for that in the video description down below. So you guys can click on that and go ahead and get your stuff calibrated, or see if we can even handle it, which we probably do. Down here at the very bottom is contact info if you want us to reach out. Obviously, if you leave us some feedback, good or bad, I would like to give you guys a call. So if you guys can leave your contact info there, I'll call you personally. And that way there, maybe we can hash this out and talk about what we are doing well, or maybe what we could be doing better. That's my exact goal for this company, and for everything I'm doing for BC Group going forward, is about making their current products more accessible, and also to make you guys more knowledgeable what their products can even do. Because that's another thing that I'm realizing, is that, did you know the average technician only utilizes 10 to 20% of everything a device can do? Just to show you, take for instance your cell phone. Did you know that most people only utilize 10% of what a cell phone can really do? How crazy is that? So we're going to have a whole string of videos. I've been working all week on my studio here. I've got new cameras set up, new lighting. It's going to be fantastic, guys. So stay tuned for that. Please click on the link down below. Please fill out the survey and let us know your exact input. Help us make products better for you guys. Thanks for watching, guys, and I really appreciate you guys' feedback.